In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate an online shopping experience using the popular platform Temu. Whether you're a seasoned shopper or just dipping your toes into the world of online retail, today's guide will walk you through each step with clarity and confidence. So let's get started on making your shopping journey smooth and enjoyable. The first thing you want to do is head over to Temu's website. It's as easy as opening up your preferred web browser, like Chrome or Safari, and typing in the site address. Once you're there, you'll find yourself in a vibrant world of products ranging from electronics and fashion to home goods and more. Now don't rush. Take your time to explore the various categories and see what catches your eye. This is your chance to really get familiar with what Temu has to offer, whether you're looking for something specific or just browsing to see what's trendy. Once you've spotted a product that piques your interest, give it a click. This action will bring up all the details you need to make an informed decision, from product specifications to customer reviews. It's always a good idea to read through the reviews because they provide real insights from other customers who have already purchased the item. Pay attention to any recurring comments, both positive and negative, as this can really help guide your choice. After you've made up your mind and are ready to proceed, it's time to go to the checkout page. Here you'll see a summary of the items you're purchasing, and it's crucial to ensure everything looks good. Double check the sizes, colors, quantities, anything you need to make sure that your order is just right. Accuracy here saves you from potential headaches later. Under the payment method section, Temu provides a variety of options for your convenience. You might stick to the traditional credit or debit card options if you're comfortable with those, but if you're looking for something different, have no worries. There are potential alternatives like cash on delivery, which could be advantageous if you prefer not to input your card details online. It's always nice to have choices, isn't it? Whatever your preference, select the method that suits you best and proceed. And just like that, you're done. With a few simple steps, you've successfully navigated Temu's website, found what you're looking for, and completed your purchase. Remember, the more you shop online, the easier and quicker this process becomes. Don't forget to keep an eye out for any confirmation emails that may come through. They'll typically contain details of your transaction and expected delivery date. I hope this guide was helpful and has given you the confidence to shop seamlessly on Temu. Happy shopping, and until next time, take care.